So I installed a thing called Pump Spy, which I just bought from Amazon. And this is Wi-Fi connected, and you plug in your sump pump here, and it detects and it records the cycles when it was last cycled, when there's power loss, and also it sends alerts on your phone if the power goes off and if there's a high water. It's got a sensor connected to here, down through there, so you can set the sensor of how you want it to send alerts to your phone that water has reached that mark. And I just tested it, and it sent a message after like 2 minutes.